Hello everyone, we'll solve an LR set in this video from IFT 2018. The question is 6 friends Albert, Betty, Claire, Daisy, Ivan and Fred who are working in different organizations are looking for a switch in their jobs. They came across an advertisement in the newspaper regarding a job fair being organized in New Delhi. After enrolling for the fair, different days are allotted to each one of them from Monday to Saturday, not necessarily in the same order, starting from Monday. They also had to arrange for their stay in different hotels to concentrate well while preparing for the upcoming interviews, namely Taj, Hilton, Crown Plaza, Radisson Hyatt and Marriott. Additional information provided is as follows. So by reading the initial 3-4 lines, we have an idea that this is basically a puzzle in which we just have to put 6 friends. We have been given their companies, we have been given the days on which they are attending the interviews and the hotels they are staying in. So we simply have to allot the hotels to them, the companies and the days on which they are doing their interviews and all. And for that we have been given some clues over here. First one is Albert prefers to stay in Taj but not in Hilton. Albert does not work in Whirlpool and participates in the job fair on Monday. The person who works in Whirlpool participates in the job fair on Saturday. So all these are clues. Let us read the questions as well. First one is which of the following friends is working with Apple. Second one is who participated in the job fair on Wednesday. Third one is if the current salary package of the friends working in Whirlpool, Nestle, Himalaya, Pepsi, Oppo and Apple are 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 lakhs per annum in the same order, then at the time of participating in the job fair find the average annual package of Albert, Betty and Fred. So to answer each and every question we need to find out which person is working on which particular day and staying in which hotel and working in which particular company. So let's go to next slide. So let's go to the next slide. We'll be using all the clues. We'll be forming a table. So first of all, let me write down all the days over here, Monday, Tuesday up till Wednesday. After that, we have to find out the names of all the people, then the companies they are working at, and at last the hotels they are staying in. So this will be our table. Now whenever we have a table like this, what we should do is we should use the direct clues first. So the first one is Albert prefers to stay in Taj but not in Hilton. Albert does not work in Whirlpool and participates in the job fair on Monday. So this is a direct clue. Albert is participating on Monday. So let me write down Albert over here. He prefers to stay in Taj but not in Hilton. So hotels, Taj will be the hotel for Albert. Then we know that he will not be working in Whirlpool. So let me write down not Whirlpool over here. After that, the person who works in Whirlpool participates in the job fair on Saturday. So the person on Saturday, he'll be working in Whirlpool. So let me write down Whirlpool over here. Next clue is Fred does not stay in Hyatt but works in Himalaya, but we do not know on which particular day Fred attended his interview. Next clue is Betty and Daisy participate in the job fair on consecutive days, but we do not know the days of Betty or Daisy, so we cannot use this. Next clue is Claire participates in the job fair on the day before the person staying in Crown Plaza but on the next day of Pepsi employee. But we do not have any information regarding Claire, the person who is staying in Crown Plaza, neither the employee of Pepsi, so we'll leave this. Next clue is the person working with Oppo participates in the job fair on Friday and does not stay in Hilton. So let me write down Friday and Oppo, so we'll write Oppo over here. He does not stay in Hilton, so not Hilton over here. After that, the Claire who is working with Nestle participates in the job fair at a gap of 1 day prior to Ivan. We do not know on which particular day Claire is attending his interview, neither the day of Ivan. Let us read the next clue. Daisy stays in Marriott and attends the conference on the last day of the week. Last day of the week over here is Saturday, so we'll have Daisy over here. As soon as we find a clue about Daisy, in the third clue we are given that Betty and Daisy participate in the job fair on consecutive days. So very clearly Betty will be participating on Friday. I hope this is understood. Next clue is the person working with Apple stays in Radisson, but we do not know which is the particular day on which this person is attending his interview. So we have used up all the direct clues. Now we'll try to connect some clues so that we fill the empty spaces in the table. So if you look at the fourth clue over here, we were given that Claire participates in the job fair on the day before the person staying in Crown Plaza but on next day of Pepsi employee. So that means we'll have a Pepsi employee. After that, Claire will be the person who will be attending his interview, and Claire is attending his interview one day before the person staying in Crown Plaza. So we'll write Crown Plaza over here. So that means these three will be continuous. That means they'll be on continuous days. After that, in the sixth clue, we again have a clue regarding Claire. Claire, who is working with Nestle, participates in the job fair at a gap of 1 day prior to Ivan. So Claire is attending his interview prior to Ivan, and there will be a gap of 1 day between the day of Claire and Ivan. So after Claire, let me write down Ivan over here, because then only we have a gap of 1 day between Claire and Ivan, and Claire will be attending his interview before Ivan, or the job fair, whatever it is. So basically now we need 4 columns like this: Pepsi, Claire, somebody staying in Crown, and Ivan. So how can we arrange them? We'll have to write Pepsi over here, then Claire over here, then the person who is staying in Hotel Crown Plaza, he'll be written over here, and then we'll have Ivan. So let me write Ivan over here. Now in the name row, we have just one person remaining, that is Fred. So let me write down Fred over here. As soon as we get the names, let us use some other clues. Second one is Fred does not stay in Hyatt but works in Himalaya. So now we know that Fred is working at Himalaya. So let me write down Himalaya over here. Then about Claire, in the sixth clue we are given that Claire who is working with Nestle. So let me write down Nestle over here. Now in the row of companies, we have only one company remaining, that is Apple. So let me write down Apple over here. In the last clue we were given that the person working with Apple stays in Radisson. So Radisson is the hotel. It will be written over here. Then about Daisy, in the seventh clue we are given that Daisy stays in Marriott. So let me write down Marriott over here. So if you look at the row of hotels, now we have only 2 empty spaces over here. And what are the hotels that are remaining? We have Hyatt, one of the hotels, and other hotel is Hilton. So if we look at this column of Friday over here, we cannot put Hilton over here, so only Hyatt can be written over here. And on this empty space now, under Tuesday, we'll be writing down Hilton over here. Now you can check all the conditions, they all will be satisfied. So now we can answer the questions. Let's go to the next slide. So the first question is, which of the following friend is working with Apple? So it is Ivan from the table. Option C will be the correct answer. Second one is, who participated in the job fair on Wednesday? So we have Fred on Wednesday. Option C will be the correct answer. Third one is, if the current salary package of the friends working in Whirlpool, Nestle, Himalaya, Pepsi, Oppo and Apple are 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So Whirlpool 20, then Nestle 30, after that Himalaya 40, then Pepsi 50, Oppo is 60 and Apple is 70 lakhs per annum in the same order. Then at the time of participating in job fair, find the average annual package of Albert, Betty and Fred. So Albert, he'll be assigned the salary of 50, then Betty will be assigned the salary of 60, and Fred is working in Himalaya 40, so he'll be assigned salary of 40. To find out the average salary, so upon 3, this will give me 50. So 50 lakhs per annum. Option D will be the correct answer. Last question is, which of the following friends is staying in Hilton? So we have Claire who is staying at Hilton, so option B will be the correct answer. So this was easy. I hope this was understood. If you still have a doubt, please ask again. Thank you.